Welcome everybody to our Spring 2 retrospective presentation. We are Group 21 of Track Your Car as a project conference. We are Jason. I'm Jason Hugh. Our team member are Yuzo Feng, Yilong and Potion Yao. For our presentation, we are going 5 overviews, which is aspect, which is consisting of group activities of how we're going to conduct our what activity we went through to conduct our final architecture, and problem that we encountered and a solution to offset them, and technology stack can be of how we the technical method and application we used to actually generate the whole thing, um, the reflection of a group team and our future planning. Well, team member, we consist of each designated position description. I am Jason Hugh. I'm the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Database Creation. I'm most of the backend development team, along with Yi Longyin, also the security analyst, and Po Chun Yao, the security analyst and front-end development. Each of them, the user type, user interface, user experience. You can see each of us can contribute to two position description for better cooperation and contribution to each other. Unfortunately, two other team members have disappeared, which is Pochen Yao and Yilong Ying, making more time effort for the rest of us to actually conduct the whole prototype. This is a trigger references we can see here. This is sprint planning and overall timetable and time scheduling and time conducting and regarding sprint principles of how we actually finish the arrangement of the project itself. And there are many problems and conflict that we encounter that actually dissolve us in many different interactivities, consisting how team the problems are team scheduling conflict and denial of contribution, which is referred before. Our team or team member didn't actually contribute anything. Overall technology, code spike and algebra blocking, which is bugging us a lot and a lot of time, having no actually method to actually resolve them. And refinement of the project itself, the communication issue, having no good platform to actually communicate with. No actual ideal platform, progress completed, lacking cooperation, having two of us team member gone, time consuming. For our solution, this is actually pretty simple of each of them. How time scheduling, we are reallocation timetable, finding a suitable timeline and input time, and how knife contribution we can just decrease the contribution score. Nothing we can do, having none of them actually making any effects. And for technology, we overload technology. We can only apply one stack, which is ideal for us. So there's other influences in trivia and seeking assistant professor website and metascom discussion, add references, generalizing on communication point, engaging discussion, decrease contribution score, and time consuming. You have to admit it. There's no actually very good solution for that because time consuming, more time consuming means more effort taking, more effort taking, more good quality. And for technology A and B, stack A and B consists of 5 aspects: programming languages, database, mock design, UI, and security references and assurance, and a data storage scheme. You can see our technology stack A and B. We have two different unique technology stack A and B. Both are different to each other in comparison. Our technology A, we have programming language HTML, CSS, JavaScript. JavaScript are main domain languages, and database for MongoDB uses CodePinner as editor, and query language as for background support, GraphQL and Parasite servers for cloud references. And front-end technology, we have Bootstrap, and back-end technology, we have Node and JS, which are all compatible with JavaScript and really suitable for the coding syntaxes. And with communication, we have Kimi as back services, which is very fluent and coherent uh, to move around with and communication with. And implement security system, we have Radius, which is a traditional security protocol having an HTTP parameter running in Red Stack, the unique security uh, blocking hacking and showing security IP addresses and those stuff, such as Promise verification system, verification services for better conveniency and identify that your that is you access the account, operating system Windows and Wix. For technology stack, we have a whole different to stack A, which is Java, HTTP, and Dart with Java as a main programming languages. We use SQL, MySQL, and Visual Code for code entry and relation database. Amazon, Angular, Node.js was also suitable for Java. I went Backshot and Microsoft VB Script for communication. And we won't reference anything later because this is not our main technology type. As for comparison justification of why choosing Stack 8 as a more suitable stack, because of its tremendous delay time and how diversity support is allowed and open sources of query languages, along with the flexibility of querying and communication protocol. And MongoDB is optimized with JavaScript and easy accessible and syntax suggestion is more prioritized and better encryptation. While in Stack B, although it has a better security assurance and faster in performance, open source to Google, but it is more effective efficiency. How we see the risk in Stack 8 is time is consuming, but we can affordable that and cost pooling about cost platforming, contribution, incorporation of background and back end and front end, and which we configure it out and relatively insecure. Well, in Stack B, the risk is more high. The risk tag is more risky. How it is high detail but sophisticated to actually combat. You need professional detail, but professional expertise to actually conduct those, and the most important is potential system failure, which we can't afford that. So therefore, Stack is low risk and less complicated. We use Stack as our uh, prime technology stack, having the two couldn't actually mix together about compatibility issues. This is a mock UI and mock design references we can see here, back here. This is our UI intercore and our project website prototype. You can see how here, this is our checker card, and here feature post, which is the latest news of car incident topic recalls. We'll click here. This is daily news, how helping user to identify what are the recall incidents readily and using references for better safety safeguard assurances. And we'll go back. About us, this is us, our company description, and the most important are model checking, how we can check model, our car model. Uh, we can say TSP, your email references, where you get a good email. Plate, actually, and country when you confirm. And this will automatically give you whether your car model is infected by airbag or not. And you see here, your car is not infected by airbag. And other functions are third-party contribution and login, or logging in, and sign up thing. Having first name, last name, email, password, which is the traditional signing up process. And this is many. Here we have below is a description of suggestion for our prototype. We can give a name, email, and type of message below. We can notify us and what we can improve of. And this basic time improvement. For security application, we have four aspects of third-party cooperation, data encryption, and Cerebrus, and API and address insurance. For better safety and better accessibility, we use third-party cooperation and data encryption for our data for user data that have given us, and Cerebrus for further consolidation of that. This is a data storage theme, having a EDR diagram or checker card of how the whole thing processes in a company territory, and our data dictionary over on the left side over here. You can see our data dictionary and VR chats. As for the whole reflection, our team contribution and communication we didn't go very well because of our team contribution have lacking people to actually contribute, and allocation of appropriate support. We should better allocate and supporting better, having because some people have their ideal and valuable position type, such I'm position to database, I might be not very good at it, and proficiency of technology application, having more adaptiveness of them, we can making everything sort out better. Well, future planning, we decided on making additional elements to our website and completion of the website itself. You can see there's only 2 posts in the news, not completed, actually completed. And further research of Takaba Airpad recall of car model that has occurring around the world and adding more information of that because we don't want lacking of information and dealing potential damages to our users. And regulation of team and communication better and prompt our Infinite protocol. This will be our further main future planning consisting how our team will conduct and this is really suitable of us. And this is basically our team analysis and team consultation of Spring 2 respiration with our website. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.